नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारी YouTube चैनल इंडियन रेलवे मैकेनिकल C&W में। दिनांक 5 अक्टूबर 2025 को आयोजित ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज 04 का क्वेश्चन पेपर और आंसर डिटेल के साथ आज समझेंगे। 1. फुल फॉर्म WSPD सिस्टम। A. व्हील स्किड प्रोटेक्शन डिवाइस। B. व्हील स्पीड प्रोटेक्शन डिवाइस। C. व्हील सेंसर प्रोटेक्शन डिवाइस। D. व्हील स्लाइड प्रोटेक्शन डिवाइस. In LHB coach, pneumatically controlled disc brake system is used. During brake application, factors like variation of coefficient of friction due to composition of brake pads and disc, and adhesion between rail and wheels and various other factors may cause difference in RPM, rotation, of axles on the same coach. This may lead to wheel skidding flat tires. To prevent this, a wheel slide protection WSP device is provided in these coaches. Here's the MAC components and their functions. Speed sensors, Phonic wheel, microprocessor, dump valves, anti-skid valves, pressure switch. In this question the correct answer is D. Wheel slide protection device. Though, type of bogie used in LHB coach. A. BA male bogie. B. CAS and UB bogie. C. Fiat bogie. D. None of these. The bogies for LHB coaches are manufactured by MS Fiat Switzerland. These coaches arrived in India and got commissioned in the year 2001 and put in service. The Fiat stand for Fabbrica Italiana. The automobile Torino bogie is an adaptation of EU ROFIMA design. In this question the correct answer is A. Fiat bogie. T. In the numbering axle boxes, wheels in LHB coaches, what does TTLS stand for? A. Trailing trolley left side. B. Trailing trolley light sensor. C. Transfer tank light switch. D. Tail tubing luggage space. For numbering axle boxes, wheels in LHB coaches for all type of LHB coaches other than power cars, passenger emergency relay valve fitted on BP pipeline in underframe. In this question the correct answer is A. Trailing trolley left side. 4. Thickness of LHB coach sole bar. A. 5 mm. B. 6 mm. C. 4 mm. D. 7 mm. In this question the correct answer is A. 6 mm. 5. From which material are the luggage racks in chair cars typically made? A. Stainless steel and polycarbonate. B. Aluminium extrusion lengths and tempered safety glass. C. Mild steel and acrylic. D. Fiber reinforced plastic FRP. In this question the correct answer is B. Aluminium extrusion lengths and tempered safety glass. Chair. How many secondary minor pads are there in a Fiat bogie? A1, B2, C3, D4. In this question the correct answer is D4. 7. Standard flange thickness of LHB wheel. A 20, B 32, C 29.4, D 28.4. In high-speed train which speed greater than and equal to 130 km प्रति घंटा. The flange thickness of that wheel is 29.4 mm and other than 28.4 mm. In this question the correct answer is C 29.4. 8. What is the capacity listed for primary vertical dampers for all LHB coaches fitted with Fiat bogie? A 4250 N, B 5000 N, C 2000 N, D 1050 N. In this question the correct answer is A 4250 N. Now, what is the minimum height from rail level listed in the LHB dimensions section? A 75 mm, B 91 mm, C 1030 mm, D 85 mm. Maximum moving dimension of the profile proposed for revised schedule of dimensions. In this question the correct answer is B 91 mm. Thus, during corrosion repair, if corrosion is noticed near the lifting pads, the side wall sheet above the lifting pads should be cut to a height of how much? A 300 mm, B 400 mm, C 500 mm, D 600 mm. If heavy corrosion is noticed, the side wall should be cut to a height of 500 mm. From the bottom covering sufficient length and all the exposed parts, after scraping and cleaning, should be examined to determine the extent of corrosion. In this question, the correct answer is C. 500 millimeters. 11. Rehabilitation of ICF coaching stock is carried out between A. 10 to 15 years, B. 12 to 15 years, C. 15 to 18 years, D. None of these. In this question, the correct answer is B. 12 to 15 years. 12. Thickness of the web bogie frame in ICF 13T bogie. A. 12 mm, B. 16 mm, C. 15 mm, D. 20 Newton meter. In this question, the correct answer is A. 12 millimeters. 13. Seating capacity of LS5 coach. A. 99, B. 100, C. 80, D. 98. In this question, the correct answer is B. 100. 14. After identifying a crack, a hole of what approximate diameter should be drilled away from the extremities of the crack. A. 5 to 7 millimeters diameter, B. 12 to 15 millimeters diameter, C. 7 to 10 millimeters diameter, D. 10 to 12 millimeters diameter. In this question, the correct answer is C. 7 to 10 millimeters diameter. 15. What material is specified for the flow in luggage compartment of LHB DSLR, LHB power car, LHB parcel van and in generator room of LHB power car directly over shell supporting member? A. PVC flooring sheet, B. 0.5 mm thick aluminium jacket sheet, C. 12 mm compressed floorboard, D. Stainless steel sheet 1.25 mm thick. In this question, the correct answer is B. 0.5 mm thick aluminium jacket sheet. 16. In brake cylinder BMBC, the ratchet is provided. T. A. 16, B. 18, C. 20, D. 22. The adjusting screw is connected with a ratchet and forms a single unit. The adjusting screw is provided with a pitch of 3.15 millimeters. The ratchet is provided with 18 teeth. In this question, the correct answer is B. 18. 17. In BMBC, when the adjusting screw completes one full rotation, it makes adjusting tube to move forward or backward by A. 2.05 mm, B. 4.50 mm, C. 6.30 mm, D. 1.50 mm. When the adjusting screw completes one full rotation, it makes adjusting tube to move forward or backward by 2x 3.15 mm equals 6.30 mm. I had told you in the previous question that the adjusting screw is provided with a pitch of 3.15 mm. In this question, the correct answer is C. 6.30 mm. 18. After how many days a newly built ICF design coach to be given for IOH? A. 1 month, B. 6 months, C. 1 year, D. 1.5 years. In this question, the correct answer is C. 1 year. 19. The yellow strips on end body of ICF coach indicates a telescopic, B. Anti-telescopic, C. For vestibule, D. None. In this question, the correct answer is B. Anti-telescopic. B's free height of AG ICF type bolster coil spring is A. 450 mm, B. 350 mm, C. 400 mm, D. None. In this question, the correct answer is C. 400 mm. 21. The position of the changeover lever of the ELBOX should be kept empty when gross load is less than 1 tons. A. 50.5, B. 45.5, C. 42.5, D. 48.5. In this question, the correct answer is C. 42.5 tons. 5. Help to push the derailment vehicle wheel set on track. A. Tilting jack, B. Axle pusher, C. Control stand, D. Axle guide. In this question, the correct answer is B. Axle pusher. 8. Which fittings are used LHB coach for connections from the manifold to the reservoirs? A. Double ferrule fittings. B. Flange mounted fittings. C. Single ferrule fittings. D. Welded fittings. In this question, the correct answer is C. Single ferrule fittings. Jobbies. The mechanical code of bogie patrol tank wagon fitted with pneumatic brake is A. BTPN, B. LBM, C. TBS, D. LCT. In this question, the correct answer is A. BTPN. Purchase. In one rake of BLSS wagon there are a unit of 8. B. Thus. C. 2. D. 4. As per Commercial Circular Letter No. 167 of 2023, BLSSA will consist of 4 ACA in one standard rake. Total number of wagon is 48. If minimum number of wagons to be loaded 45 wagons, then minimum 2 ACA is mandatory in a rake and no restriction for BCA. In this question, the correct answer is D. 4. Chubbies. Maximum buffer height of goods wagon is A. 1030, B. 1075, C. 1105, D. 995. In this question, the correct answer is C. 1105 mm. 27. IOH periodicity of PVCM wagon. A. 1 year, B. 1.5 years, C. 2 years, D. 2.5 years. In this question, the correct answer is B. 1.5 years. 28. A dimension in BFKI wagon is A. 72 जोड़िया घटाव 2 mm, B. 72 जोड़ 2 minus 0 mm, C. 70 जोड़ 2 minus 0 mm, D. 60 जोड़ 2 minus 0 mm. In this question, the correct answer is D. 60 जोड़ 2 minus 0 mm. 29. Spring arrangements of BUX and LW is A. 14, 12, 4, B. 12, 8, 4, C. 14, 14, 4, D. None of these. In this question, the correct answer is A. 14, 12, 4. 30. Maximum permissible speed of empty PLC wagon is A. 80 kmph, B. 90 kmph, C. 100 kmph, D. None. In this question, the correct answer is C. 100 kmph. 31. What is the maximum limit of leave not due that may be granted to a permanent hourly servant? A. 360 days, B. 300 days, C. Unlimited, D. 350 days. In this question, the correct answer is A. 360 days. But these, in one installment, how many lap is benefited to employ? A. 12 days, B. 20 days, C. 15 days, D. 30 days. In this question, the correct answer is C. 15 days. 30. SF5 is used for A. Minor penalty, B. Major penalty, C. Warning letter, D. None of these. In this question, the correct answer is B. Major penalty. 34. Paternity leave is entitled up to one's children. A. 1, B. 3, C. 2, D. 4. In this question, the correct answer is C. 2 children. 35. How much service minimum is required for post-retired complementary pass? A. 20 years, B. 25 years, C. 15 years, D. 33 years. In this question, the correct answer is A. 20 years. 36. Co used for issue of material from stores to work. A. ST47C, B. LM171, C. RS3B, D. RS25. In this question, the correct answer is B. LM171. 37. Which of the following is called inventory? A. Finished goods. B. Raw materials. C. Scrap. D. All of these. Finished goods, raw materials, and scrap all are inventory. So that in this question the correct answer is D. All of these. Are these? The stock of impressed stores are verified after every A. 6 months. B. 2 years. C. 1 year. D. None. In this question the correct answer is B. 2 years. 39. For buying small items through cash impressed, a single quotation is sufficient for purchase up to 100 रुपए. B. 2000 रुपए. C. 500 रुपए. D. 1000 रुपए. In this question the correct answer is D. 1000 रुपए. 40. The items which have not been issued for past 2 years and may be used in coming future are called A. Surplus store. B. Movable surplus store. C. Dead surplus store. D. None. In this question the correct answer is B. Movable surplus store. 41. Life of OCV. A. 25 years. B. 30 years. C. 35 years. D. 40 years. In this question the correct answer is D. 40 years. 42. What is the condition for brake application? A. BP greater than CR. B. BP less than CR. C. BP equals CR. D. Both A and B. In this question the correct answer is B. BP less than CR. 43. Which of the following is the property of CTBU? A. Preassembled. B. Pre-adjusted. C. Pre-lubricated. D. All the above. Preassembled, pre-adjusted, pre-lubricated all are as the property of CTBU. So that in this question the correct answer is D. All the above. 44. Which of the following is shop schedule 2 of Vande Bharat train? A. 18 months jod ya ghatav 5 days. B. 72 months jod ya ghatav 5 days. C. 36 months jod ya ghatav 5 days. D. None of these. In this question the correct answer is C. 36 months jod ya ghatav 5 days. 45. Wild means A. Wheel infrared load detection. B. Wheel infringe loading dimension. C. Wheel impact load detector. D. None of these. WILD stands for Wheel Impact Load Detector. The Wheel Impact Load Detector is a set of rails instrumented with strain gauges. The system uses strain gauges stuck on the web of the rail to measure the shear strain from which the corresponding shearing load, the wheel load, is determined. The strain gauges are connected to a data acquisition system which acquires data, computes the values and relays these to the internet-based servers. Some cause of high impact load like uneven loading, coil spring weak, shell thread, friction liner broken, snubber spring broken, axle box canting. In this there are 36 channel impact load limits. A. Medium alarm level. Impact load factor in the range of 3.0 to 3.5 or wheel impact load 20 ton to 25 ton. B. High alarm level. Impact load factor in the range of 3.5 to 4.0 or wheel impact load 25 tons to 30 tons. C. Emergency alarm level. Impact load factor greater than 4.0 or wheel impact load greater than 30 tons. In this question the correct answer is C. Wheel impact load detector. 46. Accident Manual Chapter 3 consists of A. Classification of accidents. B. General instructions. C. Duties of railway staff. D. Reporting of accidents. In this question the correct answer is A. Classification of accidents. 47. What is the diameter of axle at bearing journal in VBE? A. 160 mm. बी 140 मिलीमीटर, सी 130 मिलीमीटर, डी 150 मिलीमीटर। In this question, the correct answer is C 130 millimeters. 48. When was Official Language Act 1963 passed? A. 10 मई 1963, बी 10 मई 1973, सी 10 मई 1975, डी 10 मई 1959. In this question, the correct answer is A. The 10th of May 1963. 49. As per official language rules, Andaman Nicobar Islands fall under which region? A. A region, B. B region, C. C region, D. None. In this question, the correct answer is A. A region. 50. When was the decision taken to make Hindi language as official language? A. 14 सितंबर 1946, B. 14 सितंबर 1949, C. 14 सितंबर 1950, D. 14 सितंबर 1957. In this question, the correct answer is B. The 14th of September 1949. तो दोस्तों, ये था टेस्ट सीरीज 4 का पूरा डिटेल विंडोज, जिसमें AWM, ADME एवं ज में पूछे जानेंगे वाले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स शामिल हैं। उम्मीद है अब आपको समझ आ गया होगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और रेलवे मैकेनिक C&W से जुड़े ऐसे ही टेक्निकल वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।